Hi, I'll be going over tutorial number 5, problems 1 through 3. In problem 1, you have asked us to install the socket.io module, and as you can see, I've done so successfully right here. And in problem number 2, you have asked us to modify the server.js file. And with that, we've made the HTTP server callback a separate handler function. So you can see that right here. And with this handler function, we can pass it through the create server function call up here. And in problem number 3, we've implemented the server-side socket code, so right here. And we are to expect the blue box data to arrive at the socket and then broadcast the data to everyone onto the server due to that. We've also added in the HTML file right here, the canvas with timer.html, the socket.io script. And we put it above all the other scripts just because they need to recognize socket.io as they go among as they run or process themselves. And on the client side, we've also created a client side socket. And by doing that, we had to go into the the keyboard handler. And we did so. Actually, sorry. We did so in Canvas with timer.js. So here we created the client-side socket, and then we also modified everywhere that uses post to use socket instead. So we pretty much eliminated all post functions. So if I go into the keyboard handler now, so right here where we write all this code to handle a post message, we now just limit it to a simple line like this to handle the socket instead. And we did so up here as well. And to show that my code is still working, I have the server up and running. I'll just close it actually, and then start it again. And I'll go here and refresh this browser as well. And I'll show that all the actions I do with the blue box on one screen will affect the actions on this one, as you can see.